Before we wrap, one of the things we like to do is share something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. What do you got, Brad?
This one is not my favorite. It's not the most unique.
Here we go.
We've all been talking about AI. We've all been talking about Chat GPT for all this year. One of the things that I realized fairly recently is you can actually have the Chat GPT app on your phone rather than going to the web browser on your computer. There are times where I want to respond to an email really quickly. You can just copy and paste it, respond to this email. So Chat GPT, the iPhone app. Not my favorite widget.
That's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, just take an easy one. That's fine.
I use
take
it.
the layup. No, it's fine.
I've been using it lately, so that's it.
Take the layup. All right, I'll do one that's tied into what we're talking about today. If you're looking for something to help you calculate return on investment for a fix and flip, for example, you obviously would love to have a place to go. So Bigger Pockets, they have, if you go to biggerpockets.com, they have a tools section. And inside that tool section, they actually have a fix and flip calculator in there for you. So you can go in there, you can run some numbers, you can play around with it, you can put reports together, and really educate yourself on like how to actually analyze properties. There's also a ton of other ones in there about wholesaling and burring and a lot of other really cool calculators. We don't burr in San Diego, Bryan. The numbers don't work here, but in other parts of the country, we burr. We could do a whole separate episode on that. So check it out, biggerpockets.com, and go to that tool section. And then there's a fix and flip calculator there that you can play with.
Ballsy, promoting a alternate podcast. That's good on you.
I didn't promote the podcast. I promoted their calculator.
Okay, sure thing.
I never even mentioned anybody else's podcast.
Okay. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Beer Podcast.
Awesome, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week.
Later.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.